I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. Ain't gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good when I'm alone, hey. Leave me in the studio, hey, wait. Daily self-discovery, yeah, hey. Holiday recovery, wait. They love them instead of me. And still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and 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 they wish. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, y'all know feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lying bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own, yeah. Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, yeah. Staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day they see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP. And still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and 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 they wish.
Bueno, no sé cómo se escuchará ni cómo se verá, pero es la segunda vez que me pasa con el DJI, con la unidad aérea de Cádiz Vista, todo a tope de rayas y todo eso, y ¡pam!, al suelo, abajo. ¿Qué te parece? Estamos aquí ahora, estamos allí en el quinto coño, allí en el parque que pasando por esos eucaliptos. Después ya veréis el vídeo, si es que se ha grabado. Y aquí estamos, que nos vamos a tener que pegar una buena caminata para cogerlo. Así que ahora os sigo contando, ¿vale? Las aventuras del FPV. Un águila, ahí que había en los eucaliptos. Este no lo había visto, tío. Bueno, lo hemos recuperado. Allí, al final del camino. Ya lo tenemos aquí. Menos mal. No ha sufrido mucho daño. Parece. Lo que tengo que revisar es